Hi, I'm Kari Thomas, and this is my shop, Santa Barbara Gift Baskets. And today I'm going to show you how to use a bow maker. The materials you'll need are the bow maker, ribbon, a piece of floral wire, and ribbon scissors. This is a very typical bow maker that you can get rather inexpensively at the craft store that can help you make a multitude of different types of bows. And along here there's inch marks. So my ribbon is so big that it's covering some of the inch marks. So if that were to happen, you probably wouldn't use this part if you wanted to make a large bow. But we're just going to make a small bow, and I'm going to measure to 6 inches on both sides. The first thing you want to do is take your floral wire, and you're going to put it in between the two larger dowels. And then you're going to take your ribbon and you're going to thread that through as well. And the part that is coming out here is going to end up being the tail of your bow, so you want to leave that long. Once you have it in here, you want to do 1/2 turn. And that's what you're going to do back and forth. We're then ready to make our first loop. So I'm going to make mine out to the 6 here. And using these guides on either side, make sure that your loops will be even. So put that in there. We're going to pull that out a bit. I'm going to go out to the 6 on this side. And we're going to bring it back again. Bring it in between those two. And we're going to flip it over again. Make sure that I like how it looks before we take it off. Okay, then you're going to grab the entire thing, pinching it tightly, and you're going to bring it up and out of the bow maker. You're going to quickly turn it around, bring your wire to the back, again cross it, and then your bow is ready to be attached to your package or your gift basket. You can trim your tails. And you've got a beautiful bow. And that's how you use your bow maker.